Alright folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2018 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor with 88,000 miles and only 1,051 idle hours, folks. From the city of Long Beach, California. There is no rust on this beauty whatsoever, folks. Original, bright white from factory, and I'm sorry the sun went down on me a little bit faster here, and I had to move for some of my neighbors, so I was waiting around. So forgive me if the video quality is not as good. The vehicle is bright white from factory, folks. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a window tint from the department that appears to be like a medium shade all around. Perfect color combination with this vehicle here, folks. Vehicle does have about 4 door dings. The paint is really good on this vehicle. So this was not a patrol vehicle, so whoever this vehicle was assigned to, they did a great job taking care of it. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks, ready to go anywhere. Vehicle does have one antenna on the roof. Vehicle does have working factory backup sensors and backup camera. Everything does work, folks. This is gonna be a 3.7 all-wheel drive engine. I apologize. I should have said that in the beginning of the video, but I'm trying to get this video done today, not tomorrow. So I'm trying to take advantage of whatever sunlight I have. So that's the antenna. I put that in there, folks. In place there was one hole, so I put everything. That's the actual antenna. So if you need to drive your vehicle to an express car wash, feel free to do so. That antenna is gonna stay put and it's not going anywhere. All 4 steel wheels are nice and glossy still, so I didn't have to send these out to get reconditioned. Vehicle does have a brand new set of takeoffs. Those are gonna be the 245/55 18s. The tires that came with the vehicle when I got it out of the auction, they were okay, but not good enough for me, so I replaced them. Folks, the vehicle does have a new use set of spotlight assembly with LED light bulbs. Let me stop right here. When I first got the vehicle out of the auction, there were no spotlights. The vehicle was not set up for spotlights, and there was no push bar. I had all that installed. Okay, so here we go. Vehicle does have a new use set of spotlight assembly with LED light bulbs. Vehicle does have a brand new Weston push bar. Once again, this is brand spanking new, folks. I had that installed with my guys over at Northstar Electronics in Santa Fe Springs. Manny and Gil, thank you very much. Vehicle does have nice set of OEM clear headlamp assemblies. Vehicle is equipped with the new HAD system, so the lights, they're brighter from factory. Okay, from factory. Let's go inside here, folks. If I do forget something, I'm gonna be sure to mention it on my eBay description. Folks, let's go inside here. Vehicle does have a perfect interior, folks. Once again, this was not a patrol unit, so it received a way better, different treatment. So everything inside the car, it's in mint condition. Matching rear seat, all seat belts and buckles are in place, folks. Vehicle does have carpet floors with matching floor mats. Okay, and the floor mats are, the ones in the rear are new. The ones in the front actually were in the vehicle, but I was missing the ones in the rear, and I do have those in stock, so I put them on there. Once again, rear floor mats are new. Oh, sorry guys, this is just for me not to dirty the car, so I'll throw that there. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Driver's side seat is nice and comfortable. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody was ever sitting there. Vehicle does have a brand new aftermarket center console there in place for you, so you do have an armrest and cup holders. Vehicle did come equipped with 2 factory fobs, working fobs, and 2 independent keys. Those are not the fleet keys. Hunk does work. All right, let's get inside here. It's kind of dark, folks. I do apologize. Let me step it up. Okay. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Oops, not good enough. Come on, work with me here. All right, folks, as you guys can see, the vehicle does have 88,000 miles. Vehicle does have 1,051 idle hours. It's right there, folks. LED does work. Stereo does work. Okay, all 4 speakers do work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Super cold air conditioner, folks. Nice and cold air conditioner. As you guys can see over here, if we look, the top console is missing. I order one on eBay, folks. Once I get it, I will put it in place. Trunk release is here. That does work. Red LED, white LED. You're also gonna see a speaker. Doesn't work. This was connected to their radio. Okay. What else? What else am I missing? Vehicle does have working cigarette lighters, USB port connection, and auxiliary lighting in place. Glove box, not broken. All right. Let's go to the back. Show you what we have here. Alright, folks, sorry, I gotta clean this up here. Oops. Okay, there you go. Okay, folks, vehicle does have a brand new use spare tire cover. This was stolen at the auction. At the time when I went on Saturday, it was there. I went to pick up the vehicle on a Tuesday and it was missing. So was the spare tire. So the spare tire, it's new here. It's a good use wheel with a good use tire. It's a semi-new, it's a takeoff tire on a good use wheel. Hold down pen and floor jack, it's in place. Okay, vehicle does have a gun lock right here. Okay, it's right there. Missing key, but you can get one done at a locksmith. This is an antenna that I decided to keep that in place. Another little box right there, that's a factory box. I do have another light here. Red works, white works. There you go. Let's go under the hood and show you guys what we got to work with here. Very nice, sharp looking vehicle here, folks. HID, nice and bright. Weston push bar new. Here you guys have it. One hand, so forgive me. Alright, folks, here's the engine. Once again, the vehicle was fully serviced and detailed. My guys did an amazing job bringing this one back to life. She was a little bit dirty, but not bad at all. Once again, this was not a patrol unit, so there is a difference between the patrol units and the regular take-home vehicles or special assignment units that are issued to officers out there. So you guys can see the fan is kicked in. The vehicle has been sitting here on idle quite some time as I make my video and pictures. Let me be quiet. The engine is nice and smooth, very quiet. No funny noises, no funny smells. Starting right to left, the vehicle does have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, full synthetic 520. Oil service was done and filter. Transmission was also serviced, and that is a draining field. And I did use Motorcraft LV full synthetic transmission fluid. Do not use aftermarket fluid on these transmissions. Please, guys, listen. Stick to the original plan on these ones. Fluids worked out top, coolant level was fine, so I didn't have to do nothing to that. Dry belt tensioner appeared to be in new condition, so I went ahead and left those alone. Vehicle does appear to have a brand new OEM motor mount as well. That came from the department. Suspension is nice and tight, no funny clunks, no funny noises whatsoever, folks, no funny smells. Battery appears to be in new condition from the department. I did test that out. and it tested healthy, so I went ahead and left it alone. Also, cabin filter was replaced. I did use the Motorcraft cabin filter on this one. Okay, that's about it, I think, on this one. Very smooth vehicle. There she is. Folks, if you have any questions, comments, and or you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's see if we can work something out. And once again, SoCal Police Cruisers has set you up on another great looking running vehicle, folks. You don't have to do nothing but to take it to your local DMV and get it registered to your name. All right, California clean and clear title on hand. Original bright white from factory on this beautiful 2018 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. All right, folks, I gotta go. You guys have a happy holidays to you and your family, and please be safe. God bless and take care. This is SoCal Police Cruisers signing off. Thanks for watching.